hello. Sorry if I look like I've been crying. It's because I have been. It's been a very nice morning of lots of birthday wishes because it's my birthday today. So my sister just came by and she dropped off a really beautiful bouquet of flowers, and I pretty much haven't stopped crying since. I don't know why. It's just very sweet. And they smell really, really good. Now I'm eating one of my favorite breakfasts because it's my birthday and I deserve to eat a yummy breakfast. And so I've got my chocolatey protein quinoa bowl. Added the chocolate chips today because why the heck not? And yeah, I'm hungry. Maybe that's why I've been crying so much. So let's eat. That's so good. Happy birthday to me. Pull yourself together, Janelle. Okay, so later today, I'm going to show you guys what I get up to on my birthday. I think I'm going to go for a nice long walk at a nice local trail park thing, and I'm gonna get myself my favorite free Starbucks birthday gift. Birthday drink. And I'm gonna show you some of my favorite meals that I'm gonna make today for myself. Yeah, let's see where my birthday takes me and what Brad and I get up to and all the yummy food that I eat. Trevor, stay where you are. Help is on the way. Help is on the way. Sorry, Trevor, get all over your grill. Go. We got some Wendell's chocolate chip cookies, vegan, gluten-free. Got myself a blueberry muffin. Got my birthday Starbs muffin, Starbs, cookies, Fort Langley. It's a good day. It's a good day. Turned out to be a very nice day. With my muffin. Look at that sugar. So good. Happy birthday to me. Mwah.
I mean, the train is like immaculate.
Hanging out on the beaches of the Fraser River here in Fort Langley, Bray Island, and not quite Mexico Beach. It's more like a nice muddy, sandy beach, but I'll take what I can get. Trevor, stay where you are. Help is on the way. Help is on the way.
Adventure.
Let's see Brad attempt this. Careful. Gotta test your squatting skills. Yeah.
I need a hand. Am I out?
Yeah, you're out. You're out. Good job. How was that experience? Rated on a scale of 1 to 10.
It was horrible.
It's horrible. Yeah. Your bum looks immaculate, Trevor. Really immaculate. Do we climb this massive sand dune behind us? Just gotta do it for the gram. that you're on all fours. That didn't come out sounding very good. Have fun coming down. Oh, Trevor, why did you have to use your hand? It's actually not that hard. You want to see me jump a fence?
It would have been funnier if you did it on all fours.
Sick. I feel like such a badass. I'm a little out of breath. British Columbia, the most beautiful province in all of Canada, and I will fight you on it.
I'll take the middle axe. I'll take bottom left. I'll take middle right. I'll take, doesn't matter, top middle.
No one wins. That sucks. Boo. We just finished up our little walk around Bray Island, so we stopped for pizza here in Fort Langley, and we got a gluten-free pizza with dairy-free cheese, so that's always nice. You don't always find that everywhere you go, so super excited to eat this. It's like a loaded veggie pizza. Pizza. Looks pretty good. Oh, it might be hot. Okay, we're gonna try. We're gonna go for this. I'll just grab the one closest to me. Oh, it's very saucy. Oh, it's very off to a bad start. It's very hot and very saucy, as you can see. Okay, so it is later in the day. We are home from Fort Langley. We had a shower. I had a nap. It was delightful. I didn't even get to finish filming what we ate for lunch. That pizza, honestly, was a total mess. It was a bit of a bomb, and definitely had better vegan, gluten-free pizzas in my life, I can say that. So, oh well, is what it is. So now it's dinner time, and I feel like making a delicious pasta. I just prepped a whole bunch of veggies. Here I've got some mushrooms and some sweet potatoes. I've got some zucchinis, red onion, and celery chopped up. I'm gonna do sort of like a bolognese pasta. I have a whole bunch of random stuff in my fridge to use up. I have like cooked lentils. I have leftover tofu ricotta. I have a opened jar of marinara sauce that I need to use up before it goes bad. So it's just gonna be kind of like a mishmashy vegetable pasta, and I'm gonna maybe add some soy curls. Let's get cooking! Okay, for real, big vegetable pastas are one of my favorite ways to just like use up a whole bunch of random things in my kitchen, and it's just a great way to make a big batch of something that you can enjoy for several days. It's just so nice because it's like meal prepping. You don't have to worry about making lunch and dinner like every single day. So I basically just added all of my chopped veggies. I added my marinara sauce, and then I added the rest of those cooked red lentils and some leftover tofu ricotta. They're pretty much just going to dissolve right into the sauce. It's gonna add extra substance and body and flavor and creaminess, and it's gonna be so good. Oh my gosh. And then just for more flavor, I added some garlic powder and chipotle peppers and adobo because I felt like it. Oh my gosh, yum. I got soy curls and my pasta. Okay, so under normal circumstances, I would have totally mixed my air fried soy curls like right into the sauce while it was cooking, or right near the end of while the sauce was cooking, but I ran out of room. There was so much sauce in that pan, I had no more room to add soy curls. So we just threw them on top, and that's okay. They're still delicious and have a little bit of crispiness around the edges. I could have cooked them a little bit longer if I wanted them extra crispy, but I was a bit impatient. So this is fine. We are gonna try this pasta, this veggie loaded soy curl pasta. I don't really have a fancy name for it. It's just kind of like a fridge cleaner pasta, and it's gonna make me very, very happy. It is hot. It is steaming. You see that steam? You might not be able to see the steam. Oh, there it is. Yep, steamy. Oh damn. You know what I taste the most? I taste that sun-dried tomato tofu ricotta in there like the most. There's a recipe for it already on my channel. You can check it out in this sandwich recipes video right here. Oh my gosh, you have to try making it. It is so good in so many things, like pasta. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is blowing my mind. And this is so freaking good. I mean, I don't know a lot of people who love cooking on their birthday, but I am one of those people, and I'm just happy when I get to make something that I want to eat. So I say this qualifies.